Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it rain tonight. We gonna let it just like the sunrise. We gonna let it rain.
Hello and welcome to day 3 of my 31 days of Halloween. I'm sorry this video is uploaded a day late, but I had so many technical problems yesterday. I really hope that you don't mind. But today's look is inspired by the film Carrie, as you probably already know from the title, but I wanted to add a glam twist to it. This look is actually quite simple, it just takes a lot of patience. So I started off by having my base already done, and then I dive into the red face paint. I made it really watery as I wanted it to drip down my face, and to kind of add direction to where the drips go, I just tilt my face in different directions so the drips go in different ways. I made sure the blood only covered one eye, as I'm going to be covering it with gems and it is going to be difficult to open sometimes, so I didn't want that to happen on both eyes. Then with the brush I start to join the drips together a little bit because I just thought it looked too neat all going down straight down my face. So I added some connectors in between. I hope this makes sense, but you could probably see from the video what I mean. Now it's time to get your patience ready because we are getting the gems out. I added some really big gems up the top purely because I didn't want to absolutely smother my head in tiny gems, as I knew this look was going to take a long time anyway. It just helped me cover up big areas of my head. I then moved down to the drips down my face. I use an eyelash glue for all of this. I had a paint on one. This one's actually by Eldora. I do have a code for them. It is Brooke 15 if you're going to get anything from them in the future and want to save some money, because I'm also going to be wearing their lashes later on in the video if you wanted to check that out. To apply the gems, I found the most easiest tool to use was a nail art dotting tool that I had, and I just stuck some blue tack on the end. I just found it was really easy for it to stick to the gem and then let go of it on my face. It wasn't too sticky, but it just did the job perfectly for me at the time. I am going to skip ahead a little bit as you'll be here for hours sitting here watching me apply each gem. So when it came to the eye, I did cover my whole lid in eyelash glue and put gems on it. In future I probably would just put glitter on it, as it actually kind of gave me a lazy eye because I couldn't open my eye properly because the gems got in the way. For my lips I applied the Urban Decay liquid lipstick in the shade 714, and then while it was still a little bit tacky I just went over it with some red glitter. For my eyelashes I used the Eldora B802 lashes. Like I said, I do have a code with them. I also have a few other discount codes that I will have linked in the description down below. So lastly I just get some red face paint and start to paint a little bit of the top of my hair. I didn't have any hair paint spray or anything, so I just used my face paint and it stained my hair just a little bit for like 2 washes, but then it was okay. Of course, Carrie was a prom queen, so I put on this red crown, and then while my hair was still a little bit wet with that paint, I went in with some red glitter as well, so it kind of went with the rest of my face. So that is the finished look, my little glam take on Carrie. I really hope you like it. If you do, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more Halloween inspiration or Halloween makeup looks this year, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'll be uploading every day this October. Also check out my Instagram, as I'm uploading every day on there as well. It's at Brooke.Ellis_. It'll be linked in the description down below as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt.